What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to install themes on iOS 16.5, 16.4, 16.4.1, 16.3 and stuff like that on all devices, including the newer ones, even if you're not jailbroken, with Cowabunga Lite, which was released and is now available. This video is brought to you by iMyFone Any2, which allows you to easily customize your location, change your location to any point. You just connect your device, select USB mode, and have the device connect to the program, and then you can select any point on the map, like literally anywhere in the world, and you will fool your device to believe that it's actually in there. You press move, and right now the device believes that it's actually on that location. So applications like social media, games that require you to move, and any other app that requires GPS data will believe you're actually on that location, which is great for privacy and stuff like that. Check the program out in the link below. It's called iMyFone Any2. It supports iOS 16 and it doesn't require a jailbreak. A free trial is available. So a couple of hours ago, Cowabunga Lite was released after being in beta for quite some time. So Cowabunga Lite, compared to Cowabunga, actually doesn't require a jailbreak or any exploit at all. It supports iOS 15.0 all the way up to iOS 16.5 at the moment, and it supports all devices, including a 12 Plus and newer. And here are all the features that can be enabled. For example, you can change the time text, you can change the carrier name, you can hide icons like carrier and stuff like that, disable OTA updates, enable supervision, hide many icons in the status bar, and change the date text and stuff like that. You can even hide app labels and install themes. So let's see it in action. If you want it, you can go ahead here on the releases tab. I'm gonna link it in the description down below and get the version for your macOS. And as I said, this supports iOS 16.4.1 and even iOS 16.5 RC. So let's see it in action. So I have Cowabunga Lite over here and the device is connected in here. You can see it in real time. You can see I have the default normal stock iOS icons. But if I go here to Explore tab, I can choose a theme. For example, I'm going to get this one over here, Viva City, press download, and a theme will be downloaded. And then if I go here to icon theming, you can see that I have the option to enable it, and then we have a theme available, which I'm going to select. There are a couple of preferences that you can choose as well. For example, to hide app labels, which I'm going to do, and theme all apps, including apps not included in the selected theme. Then you can go ahead with some status bar changes if you want to, like change the carrier name and stuff like that, but I don't want to do any of that at the moment. There are some springboard options in here as well if you want to do them, but I don't want to. And then I'm going to go here with apply and press apply tweaks. So I'm going to wait for this to be completed. Alright, so after a while it would say in here restore successful, your device should reboot now, and indeed your device will reboot, and you will have a lot of icons on your screen that you will have to move around. And of course all of these icons are themed, and if you press on them they actually do go to the proper application. So that's basically it. You can have a theme, you can have icons like these on iOS 16.5 and lower without a jailbreak. So yeah, definitely check it out in the link below, Cowabunga Lite. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Peace out.